Hello. Today I wanted to do the logic of the pressure plates and bridges in the game, because yesterday we did the parsing, and we are indeed parsing the positions and existence of the. Sorry, let's try. The positions of the objects, but not the functionality. So checks in the end turn checks. Before we check for losing conditions, we must check for the plates or change the plates state. So let me see. For each plate, we check if the player is in that position or a crate exists at that position. And we change accordingly the state of the bridge. Let's see. We can do this. Let's copy the code as a reference. Pos is the position of the player. This is too verbose. Let's do this. Okay. This is sensible. And press solid. It's equal to pressed negated. Okay, I think this is correct. And let me think in the check collisions. We need the auxiliary function. And solid bridge at. Let's copy it. This returns bool. We change this for thing at pos in current level dot bridges. Bridges needs to be no 3D. This I should add. I will refactor that later. Because this it should receive another class, which is a class of things with a logical position, but never mind. Okay, so sorry, this is b not equal to null and b dot solid. This should work, but b has not. So we need to change check collisions here in the same way. Let's change player is supported. Player is supported. We here check, but basically we check for that position if solid bridge at down pos return true. And the check collisions is the same, but is before the check for the walls. Move pos return true. So let's see. We obviously we will not have visual feedback yet, but we can check in the remote view. In the first level, we should have. Okay, solid is off and the plate is pressed. Perfect. If we move here, the plate is not pressed and the bridge is solid. Nice. Okay, the logic is working. Now let's check. Sorry, let's check on some in some level that has here, for example, this solution should work. No, obviously, this is interesting. If we release now, let's see, this is incorrect. In the generator, the solution is right, 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 up, left, right, up to right 2, up 0, F0, down 0, left 2, this is the left 2, up 2, no, left 2, why I cannot, because in theory this bridge is not there because this plate is pressed, but let's check. No, this is the previous one. Okay, pressed. This is pressed and the bridge is off. Okay, in the game is correct, but the generator here thinks that that this move is valid for some reason. This could be because we are, let me see, we are doing the checking here. We are checking we are pressing the plates before checking if the player loses, and in the game this is the this is the problem. In D, the for each loops receive can have the index and the object, but plate is a struct, so this is passed by copy to the variable by the for each. We have to put ref here, so when we change the state of the plate, we really change the state of the game plate, and not the copy we have inside this for each loop. This worked, but in this case it was set to the wrong value. So obviously, yeah, let me check if I have another bug like this. Yeah, it seems it's correct. Let me regenerate. Okay, clean. Let's replay the hopefully correct levels. Let's see how. Okay, in this case, we are not using the bridge, or we are using it, but we are not using the pressure plates. Let's see. I have the task of adding heuristics to enhance the usability of the plates, so we don't generate levels like this one that don't really use the feature. But let's search here for some level that could use them. Let's see. Here, okay, in this case, we use the bridge, but only to support. No, because this is glued. But let's check if the logic works. If I do this, I can walk, but if I do this, I should. This is interesting. I walk, and the player doesn't fall until. Yeah, this is this is a good. It's good. I found this because this indicates that I should redo the falling after a pressure plate is pressed or unpressed, perhaps, because no, the unpress, yeah, and this situation is also no. Let's see this. This works, but if I do this, yeah, this is tricky. I will have to bar let's reaches will be rechecked after fallings and liftings. Yeah, but yeah, that will be a bit tricky, I think, because there could be, in theory, infinite loops. No, I think not, because everything falls downwards, so perhaps not. I will think about that and make another video later. For now, I'm semi-happy that the logic works, but obviously we need to add the visual effects for the game. Sorry, and fix that bug and add the visual move effects. The logic is partially done, so I will not check it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the channel with people that could enjoy it or even learn something from my mistakes. Thanks.